Not often I get to have some time with Packard 12. This is a 1937 Packard 12, and it's basically a unrestored original car that has only been maintained since it was built back in 1937. I'll walk around a little bit. So the 12-cylinder, it's a V12 single carb downdraft. This V12 entered production in the early 30s, about the same time that Cadillac and some of the other expensive high-end cars were all realizing that they're trying to outdo one another, and started coming out with 12-cylinder and 16 cylinders and different things like that. But Packard stuck with the 12, and this is one of them. This is a long wheelbase sedan. I'm gonna try to put the hood down carefully, and I'll come back and latch it later. But I wanted to do that so you could get a good look at the side of the car. So dual side mounts, and of course inside is nothing but Packard luxury. It has the fold-out jump seats there, and of course a footrest for the passengers. Notice the wood grain finish dash, and look at that instrumentation. It's just magnificent. Keep in mind, we're looking at a mostly original car. It has the luggage rack that folds down, and it has a trunk. So the luggage rack folds down, and there is a matching trunk that would fasten to the luggage rack for those long cross-country trips. These cars will cruise right down the highway with pretty much anything that's built today. In other words, it'll go the speed limit. How's that? Okay, so there you go. You think about that, a new Ford was $500, and this was $4,270. 472 cubic inch, 12 cylinder, 3-speed manual, full synchronous transmission. Carpets are original underneath that towel to protect them. Very nice. Nice to see that some cars survived. Very original, authentic, pretty much numbers matching, not messed with. 1937 Packard. There you have it. Thanks for watching.